so nice. It just cruises up these rough obstacles. It's really nice. So happy I got the Husky. It's been really a joy. You never know what you're gonna see in the jungle. You drive around a corner, there could be a snake, or you don't know what's around this place. It's wild. You could see a Bigfoot. I've seen a Bigfoot in these mountains before. Snakes, lizards, everything. Birds, bees, poison spiders. We're on a cliff right now a little bit. We're just motoring our way up the mountain. Welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit the mountains. We're gonna have an adventure. We're gonna cross a river right here. So let's go ahead and do it. Thank you for joining the channel today. Please subscribe, like the show. We're gonna hit the mountains. We're gonna have a good time. So let's go ahead and put the helmet on. Let's go ahead and go through this river. Woo! We're gonna have a good time. Let's rock and roll! Let's take off. Let's see what's happening in this mountain. Having a great time. There's another motorcycle coming down the hill. We're gonna go over here. These people live up here. There's a doggy. Hi, doggy. Hello. Hi. Hello. There's houses up here and everything. This is a wild country. And good riding. Great motorcycle riding. It's a little wet. It's a little slippery. So I hope we don't fall. That would be bad. Power our way up. Wet, slick road in the jungle. Little technical riding. Woo! Got a little wet. Woo! It's really slippery with all the rains and stuff we had here lately. The jungle is crazy and wild. Woo! We're in the rainy season in the Philippines, and it's pretty wet. Always gives you a good chance to maneuver through these conditions. We lost the bike there for a second. Just wild territory. Gotta stay on the road. Looks like there's a lot of clay. There's some kids up here. Hello. Hi. windmills up here. Very beautiful. Provide a lot of solar power. But we got to keep our eye on the road. We don't want to go down any of these cliffs. There's a solar windmills up there. Now we're ready to, oh, gotta stay on the trail. It's a lot of fun if you don't hurt yourself. Woo! Right before the sun go down. Whoa! Be careful, there's a big cliff right here. There's a big ditch there, and then there's a big cliff over this way. So if you go to the left you fall, you go to the right you fall. So we're going to stay on this road. Whoa! Big rocks. We're riding on these large boulders. It's pretty cool, I must admit. Just stay on the road. Stay safe. I'd like to do some adventures up in these mountains with people, but I am afraid that somebody may get hurt. So that would be the downside. But it's a good time riding. Oh, we got an open gate. I kind of like riding these trails later on in the day. It's not so hot, and it's just a nice weather. Got another motorcycle or two coming up the hill. Hello!